Two. So stupid. Are you going? Non?
Maybe.
Maybe. Oh, Mommy, let's talk like a British person.
I can't talk like a British person.
Oh,
This
yeah.
is so fabulous. The bird is gonna kill me. Hokey. Hokey. So, the Rubik's Cube.
Who's the fucker then?
This bird is not very nice. You don't know who you're speaking to.
I want some fucking cracker.
Well, Mommy ain't getting the effing cracker. It ain't getting no. You ain't getting an effing cracker. Look at this Rubik's Cube.
Hey, baby, show us your tip.
You know who you be talking to? You ain't talk to a white person like that. I'll throw it in your face.
What? I want the blowjob.
You got a nasty bird. Some nasty bird you got going on here. You know what? That's it. I've had enough of you. I'm going to strangle you.
Get Kenilworth. Get Kenilworth. Get Kenilworth.
Yeah, you are a dickhead. Let's do this.
Who's the pretty Polly? Who's the pretty Polly? Not you, Laura.
You're ugly. You're very ugly.
Hey, you. Go fuck yourself.
Stop that.
What? Nobody loves you. Everybody hates you.
Is that true, Grace?
Maybe.
Everybody loves me. Everybody hates me.
Oh, bloody hell, just shut up.
Oh, bloody hell.
Are we done?
And this is a rose. And I will twirl it. Ooh.
This is for my grandma's funeral.
Oh. I'm going to mess with that.
You're sorry, I chewed on that.
Can I suck it?
If you want to.
Okay. Stop it.
I forgot how to stop.
Hit the